In this project, I'm going to be sealing this cement floor with Woodoc 45. And the reason I'm using Woodoc 45 is because of the great looking finish it gives, and it's a really tough and durable product, so it'll last a long time. This water-based sealer penetrates the surface layer and bonds with the cement, completely sealing the surface, so no more dust. But in order to get the best outcome, the first step is to make sure that your surface is completely clean. So we'll need to wash the floor very well to remove any dust, dirt, loose particles, grease and oil. A high pressure washer works really well to clean the surface. Just be sure that you wash in the direction of the runoff or exit so that the water doesn't pool. Use this opportunity to check the floor for porosity. A porous surface will give you the best bind. Note that if the water pools and does not penetrate into the floor is not suitable for Woodoc 45. Now brush the excess water off and remove as much of it as possible. Then allow the floor to dry thoroughly. Depending on the airflow, temperature, humidity and porosity of the floor, this could take anywhere from a day to a week. It's important to remember that a wet substrate will prevent binding of Woodoc 45 with the cement and promote efflorescence. If Woodoc 45 cannot bind with the cement, it will peel off. Next, you need to make sure everything's mixed properly, so thoroughly stir it with a flat paddle for at least 30 seconds. You can seal a clear coat directly onto the cement, and in this case, for personal preference, I've chosen a Woodoc color to tint with quite a dark finish. You need to mix in the Woodoc color very well, so once you add it, stir it in thoroughly with a paddle. Now, with a good quality brush or applicator, apply a liberal coat of Woodoc 45, applying it in the same direction. It dries fairly quickly, especially outdoors, but drying time can vary depending on atmospheric conditions and porosity of the surface. You should only apply the second coat once the first coat is completely dry. I'm now applying a liberal amount of the second coating in a different direction to the first coat. And the reason for this is because it will help to blend any lines and give a more even finish to the coat. Allow it to dry thoroughly. Always apply 3 coats of Woodoc 45. This will ensure the product has a great lifespan. I trust this video has been very informative, and if you have any questions, you're always welcome to call the Woodoc helpline. Good luck with your project.